So what are the conservation? So what are the projects are involving in the protect conservation? So let's go to today we are discussed about so the third part, the environmental management. So the environmental management, so subtopics are agents of soil erosion and the management of soil erosion, renewable and non-renewable energy resources, fossil fuels, coal and petroleum, steps to conserve coal and petroleum resources, and the non-conservation alternative energy resources, solar energy. Right. So what is soil erosion? So the soil erosion means the top layer of soil contain humus and mineral salts, so which are vital for the growth of plants. So removal of upper layer of soil by wind and water is called as soil erosion. So the soil erosion causes a significant loss of humus, nutrients, and decreases the fertility of soil. So agent of soil erosion. So the agent of soil erosions are high velocity of wind. So whenever the wind is velocity is high, so removal of soil from the upper surface of land. So air current. So the air current is also involving in the one of the major agents for soil erosion. And the flowing water. So whenever the flowing water is high, so the land is involving in the process of soil erosion. And landslide. So landslide is also involving in the agents of soil erosion. And the human activities, deforestation. So the deforestation means so the removal of trees, more number of removal of trees. So the farming and the mining and the overgrazing by cattle. So these are the agents of soil erosion. So the management of soil erosion. Retain vegetation cover so that soil is not exposed. So retain vegetation cover. So the retain vegetation cover means a large number of trees are planting. So the retain vegetation cover so that soil is not exposed. So cattle grazing should be controlled. So the crop rotation and the soil management improve the soil organic matter. So the what is meant by crop rotation? So the crop rotation is defined as so the management of soil. So the crop rotation means continuously. So the planting of crop is alternatively. So that is called as crop rotation. For example, the cotton is cultivated in particular time. So and the alternatively, so then the next time we are cultivating another one crop. So the crop rotation and the soil management improve soil organic matter. So runoff water should be stored in the catchment. And then reforestation, terracing and contour fogging. So the what is reforestation? So the reforestation means so how many number of trees are cutting into the particular place. So again we are planting so that the same number of trees. And terracing. So what is meant by terracing? So terracing is a process. So terracing is a process. So creating a wide steps of slope of around the hills. So that is called as terracing. What is meant by contour fogging? So contour fogging means so the any changes does not occur in the common shape of hills. So that is known as contour fogging. And while wind speed can be controlled by planting trees in form of a so in vegetation cover so that soil is not exposed. So overgrazing. So the cattle grazing should be controlled. So crop rotation and the soil management improve soil organic matter. So runoff water should be stored in the catchment. And reforestation, terracing and the contour fogging and the wind speed can be controlled by planting trees in form of. So the planting trees around the farming land. So renewable and non-renewable energy resources. So energy is an important input for development energy. So energy resources can be classified as non-renewable and renewable. So what is the major difference between renewable and non-renewable? So the non-renewable, exhaustible. So energy resources. Okay. So the energy resources. So renewable, inexhaustible energy resources. Non-renewable, exhaustible energy resources are. So the energy obtained from source that cannot renew themselves over a short period of time is known as non-renewable energy. So the conventional energy resources account for 90% of the world production. Commercial energy, nuclear power account for 10%. So what are the major differences between the non-renewable and the renewable? So the non-renewable means the energy is utilizing in the source of in a short duration, so that the energy is not renewed. So the renewable energy means the renewable energy, the energy is utilizing in more number, so the energy is obtained again and again. So what are these are the differences between non-renewable and renewable. So can be classified as non-renewable and renewable. So the non-renewable and renewable energy resources. So energy is an important input for development of energy resources. So the nuclear power account for 10%. So the renewable inexhaustible energy resources. These energy resources are available in unlimited amount in nature, and they can be renewed over a short period of time, inexpensive, and can be harvested continuously. So these only major differences between renewable and non-renewable. So the non-renewable means the particular time, a short duration, so the energy utilized, again the energy is not a replacement. But the renewable resources mean the energy is utilizing, and again we are getting into the energy. So the non-conventional energy resources which include biofuel, biomass energy, and geothermal energy, water energy, hydroelectric energy, and tidal energy, solar energy, wave energy, and wind energy. So the biofuel. Nowadays, the America and Brazil, the two countries are utilizing more number of biofuel. So the America is obtained from the biofuel from the corn flour, and Brazil is obtained from biofuel in sugar cane and biomass energy. So what is meant by biomass? So biomass is defined as plant and animal material is utilized and getting the energy. So that is called as biomass energy. So what is meant by geothermal energy? So geothermal energy, the geo means earth, thermal means heat. So we are getting into the heat from the earth. So the geothermal energy is clean and sustainable. So the geothermal energy we are getting into the stream of underground over millions of reservoir of water and the underground area surface of the land and water energy. So what is mean by water energy? So the water energy is defined as the photoelectric devices applying in the surface of ocean and tidal energy. So the tidal energy is a one type of solar energy. It is utilizing in the more number of countries nowadays the tidal energy and solar energy. So what is mean by solar energy? So solar energy, the energy is harvesting from the sun. So wave energy. So wave energy. So the wave energy and wind energy. So the wave energy applying the surface of the ocean, the photovoltaic cells and getting with the electricity. So the wave energy is very useful to utilizing into the marine region and wind energy. So the wind energy is one type of solar energy. So the wind turbines, kinetic energy is converted into the help of thermal kinetic energy is thermal energy. break down into the energy in the form of gas. So that is called as anaerobic decomposition. Okay. So as the accumulating sediment layers produce heat and pressure, the remains of the organism are gradually transformed into hydrocarbons, example petroleum, coal and natural gas. So the natural gases are include methane, ethane, propane and etc. So the coal and petroleum. So the coal and petroleum are natural resources. They are called fossil fuel as they are formed from the degradation of biomass buried deep under the earth millions of years ago. So the biomass means the plant or animal material utilizing in the help of producing energy. So the coal is used for generation of electricity and thermal power of plants. So petroleum also known as crude oil. So what is meant by crude oil? So crude oil is nothing. So the crude oil is defined as hydrocarbons, including the composition of hydrocarbons and organic material. So uncleaned oil. So the crude oil is uncleaned oil is processed in oil refiners to produce petrol and diesel, which are used to run. So the automobile, trucks, trains, and ship and aeroplanes. So steps to conserve coal and petroleum resources. If electricity is saved, it will in turn reduce use of coal. Using bicycle for covering short distance instead of using cars, scooters, and motorcycle. Using pressure cooker can reduce the consumption of kerosene and LPG while cooking food. So the solar cooker and the solar heater can be used wherever possible. Motor vehicle should be designed with fuel efficient engines to increasing efficiency and also reduce air pollution. So the non-conventional alternative energy resources. So efforts are made to develop new sources of energy, which is called a non-conventional source of energy. So the non-renewable conventional resources from its rapid deflation and replace them by non-polluting renewable sources which are environmentally clean. So it would be provide greater initiative to local people who could assess their needs and their resources and plan a strategy that could be useful to them. So the solar energy. So the solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. So the sun gives out vast amount of light and heat. It is only a little less than half of 47% of solar energy which fall on the atmosphere reaching the earth's surface. So solar energy divide. So the energy from the sun can be harnessed to provide power. So the harness means utilization. So the various devices used for harnessing sun's energy are called solar power device. So the solar cells. So the solar cells photovoltaic devices is made up of silicon that converts sunlight directly into electricity. So solar cells produce electricity without polluting the environment. The uses of solar cell. It can be used for street lighting, traffic signal, water pumping, battery charging system, etc. It is used in artificial satellites and space probe. So what is meant by artificial satellite? So artificial satellite is nothing. It is man-made. It is a man-made vessel. So it is a man-made builder. So it going to the space research. So the first artificial satellite is Sputnik. So the Sputnik connection to remote areas. It is used in calculator, electronic toys and watches. Solar panel. So the arrangement of many solar cells side by side connected to each other is called as solar panel. So the process of manufacture is very expensive. Solar cooker. So it consists of an insulated metal box or wooden box which is painted from inside so as to absorb maximum solar radiation. The food is cooked by energy radiated by the